Hey guys, welcome back to one of my new videos. Today is just a little update. My computer is still not working as I want him to. So I just want to show you something, because in the last video I've been talking about making some Harry Potter sweaters. And the idea really stuck in my head, and so now I'm sitting down over the last days and trying to design something. I'm not that much of a designer, but I think for something simple it will be enough. So all I want to do is share my first ideas. They are not finished, but not even close, I think, and I'll change more and I have some more ideas, but I would just want to show you what I'm actually working on right now. So let's see if we can make this happen somehow. Yes, good enough, hopefully. I hope you still can still hear me. So this is my first design for a Gryffindor sweater, which is, yeah, I really like the scene where Harry gets the talking head, and all he's thinking is not Slytherin, not Slytherin, and yeah, I really like this idea, and I think I'll add the Gryffindor line here, and the whole sweater will be just red and just warm yellow. So that's my idea so far, and I'm having an idea for a Slytherin sweater. So let's check this one out. It's not looking so good so far, but the idea is I really like the sentence, "Enemies of the air beware." You know, the movie where the Chamber of Secrets is open. I think it's the second one, and the snake, the obelisk, the obelisk. I'm not sure. It doesn't matter. So Salazar Slytherin's monster is hunting, yes, half-bloods, mudbloods, whatever. So my idea is to have the sentence, of course green and this grey silverish colors, and the eye of enemies and the eye of air will be a snake. Yes, that's my idea so far. So guys, can you see me? Now you can see me. That's what I'm working on, and I'm hoping my computer will work soon enough that I can edit videos I already made and show you my whole Knttng wool room. Knttng wool pub is the name now. So you see something in the background, but a whole introduction will follow pretty soon. So guys, please leave me a comment. Do you have any ideas for Harry Potter movies? I already got some ideas for much more sentences from the movies, so I'll work myself through them, and then I'll see what I'll actually can do. And honestly, I'll have like 10 ideas in the end, but knitting 10 sweaters, it's a bit of a job I'll have to do. So I think I want to start with the Slytherin one, and then we will see. So I'll keep you updated how the design will look like in the end, and of course show you when I start to knit on the project. So like always, I'm very thankful for everyone who gives a thumbs up, maybe even thumbs down if you don't like the video. If you're new to my channel and to my videos, make me happy and subscribe. Harry Potter, Star Wars, knitting, music, yeah, that summarizes my channel so far. Yes, so please subscribe, and like always, keep knitting.